10-4, man. You trying to warm that mobile up? That's what you said. Hey, Batman, and then it got rough. Hey, Batman, you said 817. You're trying to warm that mobile up, and it got rough in my radio. Hello, Batman. Hello, Batman in the Bayou Country, 817 Mobile. Right back. Contact, Batman. It was a mess, man. It started off a real mess, Batman. It's real tough out there. I heard drop down chicken box out there, Dirty Bird out there around Georgia, man. He kind of mixed it up with you guys out there in the Bayou Country, so it's getting real rough out there. But I hear you that key. Take it, Batman. Take it, Batman, and Dirty Bird, 817 Mobile. Bye.
Still running.
Bye, Good Time Charlie. Bye, Good Time Charlie. Bye, Good Time Charlie. Have a good day, Good Time Charlie. Take a Good Time Charlie, 817 Mobile. Bye, Uncle Good Time Charlie. They go to Mobile. Uncle Good Time Charlie, 817 Mobile gone.
817, getting good time. Good time, Charlie.
Man, there's a whole mess of you. I put BillywhiteShoes out at the end out there, man. BillywhiteShoes. I put you out at the end out there. I heard of my brothers coming out of the Bayou Country out there too. So it made a real mess in my radio. Take it out there, BillywhiteShoes, 817 Mobile. Come on down.
Batman, I want to know what he sounds like right there. Hello, Dynamite White. Dynamite White. Can you say Batman? Hello, Dynamite White. Worldwide Batman in the swamp land waiting in the weight room. Bray.
Hey, Batman, you took my radio, that key, man. I heard BillywhiteShoes in there, but now you got 30 dBs in my radio. Hey, Batman, you got 30 dBs in my radio, Batman, 817 Mobile gone.
Hello, Mr. Worldwide.
My radio tore up out there, man. I got Batman talking to Dynamite White. I heard Good Time Charlie out there, so I'm gonna wait my turn out there around Arizona, man. I'm gonna wait my turn out there around Arizona, 817, working the Mobile out there around Arizona. Bye. Right there, 1 out of 12. It's rough out there, man, today. Hey, 1 out of 12. It's real rough out there today. 1 out of 12. 817 Mobile. Bye. Contact. Bye, 1 out of 12. Have a good day. Bye, 1 out of 12. Have a wonderful day on your end. 1 out of 12. 817 Mobile. Bye. Bye, Billy. Bye, BillywhiteShoes. Bye, BillywhiteShoes. I can pull you out of the mess out there around Arizona. Bye, BillywhiteShoes, 817 Mobile gone. Yeah, that was a real mess in there. That was a real mess out there, man. You can listen to my Watergate. It's a real mess out there. I heard you calling me, but I cannot pull you out, man. It's a real mess in Arizona. 817 Mobile gone.
Hello, 817, Ricochet, Georgia,
Right back out there, Ricochet. I pulled Ricochet out. Hey, Ricochet, I pulled you out of the mess and you come in my radio. Hello, Ricochet, 817. Hello, Ricochet in Georgia, 817 Mobile. Right back.
Hey, 817, you smoking, man. I was roaming around the band and had to slam the brakes on and say howdy, man. You laying it down, Ricochet down, right about now, ain't no doubt. Hey, 817, Ricochet, Backwoods, Georgia, weekend to you there.
Contact, Ricochet. Well, you have a nice weekend upcoming out there, man. You sounding real good now. Hey, Ricochet, Mother Nature turned around right there. Hello, Ricochet, 817 Mobile. Right back. Come on.
Take care, man. Likewise. You must have a bunch of Mother Nature sitting on the top of your antenna right about now. Hello to you, 817, Ricochet in Georgia is rocking the mail.
And you're rocking the mail in fine style, Ricochet. Ricochet, you're holding your own right there, coming out of Georgia out there, no doubt about it, because you're walking and talking. Good to hear you on my radio, Ricochet, 817 Mobile. Bye-bye-bye.
817, good job, brother. Good to hear you, man. Hope everything's been well. Ain't no doubt about it. 817, Ricochet on this Dave Made Hammer in the South. Bye-bye-bye.
Real good copy. The Dave Made Hammer in the South out there. Got it all because he said it all. Hey, Ricochet, you said you're on a Dave Made Hammer in the South out there. Got it all. Dig it, a Ricochet, 817 Mobile gone.
All right, brothers. All you, man. You own in the railroad track. Good, my well. All the position.
Bye, Ricochet. Got tough in there. Got quack in Alabama out there, man. He's loud out there in my radio. Take it, Ricochet in Georgia. Hello, quack. 817 Mobile waving in Alabama. Bye-bye-bye. Yeah, right there. I'm trying to wave in the backwoods, man. It's real rough, man. You can see it on my Watergate. It's real rough out there, man. Hello in the backwoods, 817. Hello up there around the backwoods of Georgia, 817 Mobile gone. Right there. I think he said Catman. I think that's what I could pull out there, man. I could be wrong, but correct me. But I thought I pulled Catman out of the mess out there, man. Take a Catman, 817 Mobile in Arizona. Bye-bye-bye.